So, how do you define soul sickness?
Yeah, this is the and deeper understanding that's now coming as modern science, as we call it, starts to collide with ancient wisdom, and that ancient wisdom is tied into deep understandings through really stillness. Almost every wisdom has come out of stillness in caves, under stars, in nature, and it resulted in phenomenal technologies on the planet and the rest. And so we come out of a heritage in our deep human history of states of being, states of resonance, states of expression, states of creativity and technology that really far outstrip anything that we have today. And so it's easy to get tied up in microprocessing chips and all this and think that we've made some sort of revolution with a cell phone until we come to terms with the fact that the pyramids were built 12,000 years ago and were technologies that we still don't even understand how they were capturing so much energy, what they were there, how they bored so deep in the earth to build these underground systems of energetic consolidation. So there's a memory ultimately in water. There's a memory within this planet and within each of us that is literally the water structure itself. And that really resides within our modern science, realizing that the human brain doesn't have a long term memory drive. It has short term memory, similar to a computer with its RAM, but it doesn't have the ROM. It doesn't have the hard drive of memory in the brain. And so the memory of a human being or an animal seems to be stored outside of the neurology. And it's in this interface between water molecules and the energetic vibrations of feelings that we start to imprint experiences in our body, and that body ultimately an extension of an earth that is imprinting memory in it. And so that's the water side of the fascination with science and where it's at. But the water is now coming into this collision of what we might call a soul. And this soul is an energy field that predates your human biology with a unique identity and then preserves that identity after you let go of the body and allows for other iterations of self. And so I really got to see
How
this.
does it exist? Sorry to interrupt you, but how does it exist before if it's our individual soul?